This is the sound of change. Right now, while the world sleeps, the most successful people are already winning. The question is, will you hit snooze or hit your potential? Most people live in a cycle: stay up late, wake up rushed, feel tired by noon. They blame time, stress, luck. But the truth? Your first hour decides your day. And if you're stuck here, you'll stay average while the 5 a.m. club laps you again and again. Lose an hour in the morning, chase it all day. The habit, life-changing solution. Here's how to hack your mornings. Works even if you hate mornings. Don't think, move. Feet on the floor in 5 seconds. You win the first battle. Your brain is dehydrated. 16 ounces of water equaled 20% more focus. No excuses. See your goals done. Feel the pride. Your brain will work backward to make it real. The 1% don't have more time. They have better rituals. This is yours now. Why it matters. This isn't just about productivity. It's about claiming your life back. The quiet hours where no one demands your time, where you become who you're meant to be. Will it be hard? The first week, yes. But suffering and discipline beats dying and regret. We must suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. Jim Rohn, tomorrow's alarm is your turning point. Will you wake up at 5 a.m.? Or will you wake up at the same time next year, wishing you had? Your future starts tomorrow morning.